Hi guys, what's up? It's Umar and DG back again. Here's the update on that account of 13K. So guys, I've ruined this account. Yeah, I've ruined this account. What happened was, you see, where I had problem, like something like psychological issue, because I knew that I was about to enter. I entered this market around 1 point on EU, but this was our first loss. This was our first trade of the week on GU. It was a loss. So yeah, and then I saw EU trade. So what happened was, I was thinking about retracement and all those kind of things based on the, trade. I can't trace it right here, but I've sent it to the Telegram group. Let me show you. This was it. So this was the first trade, guys. We entered around here, so the price just spiked up, and guys, it is what it is. I don't want this video to be so long, just as the other ones. So, but there we were on drawdown, as you can see here, and we lost around 1,900 or something on EU. This was the first trade, and then again I saw an entry. Yes, you can see how the chart was. So I saw the entry. This was a major level on the 1 hour time frame, I think. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame. Then, so it was a major level on the 1 hour time frame. So I was expecting the price to break this trend line and continue to the downside. We also lost this, guys, and this was when I sent a message that stop loss was hit. You can see it here. So you can see at that time we had around three losses, right? But the trade, we were down around 4,700 or something. And guys, that was how we run this account, and this was the final trade that we took on the British pound Swiss franc. So this trade, I didn't really keep update on it. Sell stop order I didn't execute, and we deleted it. So this was the re-entry on GBP and then I notified them beware of spreads. You can check the time. It was around 9:17 p.m. Yeah, it was a swing trade, guys. So yeah, and then the trade was around here. So at the end of the time, guys, we were able to close. The people with the first entry would have taken partials and the rest, because this was the first entry. So as you can see here, it was more than half. So they should have closed with more than half and take partials. I told them to do that. You can see I'm anticipating the candle to close it forever, but no, not this one. I can't remember where. Yeah, if you entered with the first, you can set break even and take partials. You can see it right here. So I told them that, guys, and I don't know if they've done that, but also ever took the trade, and you can see this was when the trade was running. I said stop, sell stop, and then stop loss. But in the final game, guys, you saw the trade. This trade played me bad as ever. We hit break even at the end. So, guys, now on the account, the basic thing on the account, guys, we are down 4,000 something. Yeah, minus 4,000. You can see it, minus 4,461.58. And this is that 13K account. So you can see we are down around 32%. We're down around 32%, guys. I mean, it's cool, but yeah, it adds a lot. So this is the Forex Funds account. This is the Forex Fund account. You can see here it's saying 33.55% gain. So I don't know what it's saying, but we'll see what I'll do, man. Because this, in this case, I'm down around 32.81%, and my FX book is telling me 33.55%. But just for clarity, guys, the main thing is, what am I losing? 4,562.70, and in here it's around 4,461. So I don't know where it's getting the calculation, but the basic thing is this one should be more accurate. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you. See you in the next one, guys.